I am so pleased to support a creative church like this one because I think that one of the greatest gifts we've received from God is our creativity. And it's through our creative endeavors that we honor both Him and the beauty of His many creations.
It's great to be a part of a church that develops so many creative programs of their own to meet the needs of their congregation.
Financially supporting a creative parish like Calvary St. George's has allowed our family and others to experience so many wonderful things here, such as
the Creative Arts Camp, where our son Andrew learned to sing Coat of Many Colors over and over and over again.
I'm happy to pledge to a church with creative endeavors such as the Olmsted Salon because artists inside and out can come and share their story.
As Christians, we are conscious of the fact that we live in God's creation, which is this living, evolving, magnificent thing that invites us to participate, not to observe creation, but to be a part of creation.
I believe that I am created in God's image, and I am proud to support a parish where we can share our gifts with each other to make them shine brighter together.